Hey boys and girls, happy Monday. So today for math, boys and girls, Mrs. Bezo will be on Zoom for you to help you with your math homework. But if you cannot join Zoom, you can always look at this video or watch the video and see how to exactly, work on the strategies in math. So let's go over again really quickly plane shapes. Remember, a plane shape is flat and is not solid. Okay, friends? So, friendly reminder, what is the name of this shape here? Good. Somebody said circle. Excellent. And the name of this shape? Good. Triangle, square, rectangle. Ooh, what's the name of this one here? I heard somebody say trapezoid. Okay. And finally, excellent. This is a hexagon, boys and girls. So what you're going to be doing for today's work is you will be going to workbook page 237 and 238. Sometimes, boys and girls, in our figures and shapes, there is a missing part. What you need to do is you need to color that shape that makes the figure complete. Okay, now some of you boys and girls, I know you'll be able to do this fine, no problem, but I know sometimes it might be a little struggle, especially trying to figure out which shape goes where. So here are some strategies on what to do. What you can do here, boys and girls, especially since sometimes I know workbook pages are front to back, before you do this strategy, make sure that you just ask mom or dad to maybe make a copy of one of them, because if it's front to back, boys and girls, you don't want to accidentally cut the problem. So like I said again, maybe just have mom or dad make sure that you can, take a picture. I'll also have the workbook page available for you on the Google Classroom too. That might help you out as well. So let's look at this example here. It says here, a part is missing from the figure. Color the shape that makes the figure complete. Now, here it says it's missing a square, okay? And we know what a square has four sides, four corners. And we know that circle and the triangle won't fit. But a good strategy is what you can do here is take a pair of scissors, cut out the little shapes, and then try each one to see which shape makes the larger figure. I also, while I'm doing this activity, boys and girls, is I have my picture of the shapes here and I'm looking at them so I can see it as well and watch. See? So I'm looking at the square here, boys and girls, and I'm going to say, okay, it has to be a square shape, which is four corners, okay, boys and girls? So now I'm going to take the little shapes here and I'm going to try each one and see which little shape will fill in the part of the missing figure. So we know which one it is, but again, this can help us and it might be a better strategy to do for your assignment. Okay, so here is my shape, okay? Here is the triangle. Does the triangle fit in correctly there? Nope, it does not. Let's try another one then. Here's my squares. Now we know, see, do the squares fit in perfectly? So it does, complete it. Let's do the next one then together, okay? So the next one says to find a hexagon. So using these shapes here, which one will create a hexagon? Now, as a friendly reminder, the hexagon, boys and girls, is the shape on the bottom, which has 6 sides. Okay, boys and girls, think of like a honeycomb. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just cut out this part here with all the shapes so I can play around and see, okay, which shape here would make a full hexagon, okay? So again, I have part of the hexagon. I need to make the full hexagon. What can I do? Well, I know that you boys and girls know from Miss Lesbia's test taking strategies, you can figure out which one is definitely 100% not it. So which one of these four shapes is definitely not it? Oh, I heard somebody say the rectangle. The rectangle, how could that make into a hexagon? If you notice, I have three triangles and one rectangle. So the rectangle cannot be it. Let's try cutting out some of the shapes and seeing which one makes a hexagon. So the first shape I'm going to cut out is the more narrow triangle, or slim. Oops. So Suiza has to make her cutting a little bit better here, boys and girls. Okay. Okay, so here is my slim triangle, and here is my hexagon shape here. So again, I'm trying to see, will this triangle fit to make a hexagon shape? Does that look like a good hexagon? Nope. So this one cannot be it. Let's try another shape here. So we know, is it the rectangle? No, can't be the rectangle. Let's try the other triangle here. Okay, here is my hexagon. Here is the part of the triangle. Will it make a hexagon shape? Yes, it does here. Nice job, friends. So again, if some of you are doing this and you're cutting up your shapes, I love that. That is not a problem. What you can do is, I know it says color it in for the directions, but take the shape that you found that makes it, glue it, tape it, not a problem. Let's do one more, boys and girls, to figure out which one of the figures is missing. So for page 238, friends, you have for number 10, you have a rectangle. Number 11 is a trapezoid, okay? And number 12 is a pentagon. Let's do one more for good luck. Let us do I think you can do rectangle. Let's try the pentagon. So just as a friendly reminder, the pentagon, boys and girls, is, let me show you friends really quickly. Think of a baseball home plate. Okay, there it is here. Sorry, friends, I thought it was on the other page. Okay, so here is the pentagon, and that is what they need to create for number 12. So just like I was doing before, I have a picture of what I need, okay? And I have my scissors ready so I can cut out and see which shape would make a pentagon. And again, just like I said before, friends, friendly reminder, there's always a shape that's definitely not going to be it. Okay. So looking here, we need to use these shapes to make a pentagon. Which one's definitely not it? Circle. How can a circle make a straight line, right, friends? So it cannot be a circle. Let's try, what about this rectangle? Let's try the rectangle instead. Will the rectangle make Miss Laspiza's pentagon? Okay, let's try it out. So here's number 12. I need to make a pentagon. I'm going to put it on the top. Does this make a pentagon shape? Nope, doesn't look like it. It actually looks like more of a flower pot. So cannot be that one. Let's try another shape here. Here we go. Which one would make a pentagon shape? Let's try this triangle. And it's not the slim triangle. It's more of a middle-sized triangle. Okay, here we go. Again, here is my triangle. And I'm going to put it on the top and see, does this make a pentagon shape? Does this make more of a pentagon shape here? Yes, it does. So again, for today's homework, classwork, math work assignment, boys and girls, what you can do is, again, take these shapes. Okay, I will put these 2 pages up on the Google Classroom as well. So in case you want to cut them out, have mom or dad print it out first, because I know, again, in the workbook, sometimes they're front to back. So like I said, have mom and dad just print out these 2 pages to help you. But what you can do is, once you are printed out, take the 2 pages, okay, take these shapes here, try to figure out which shape is definitely not it. And then from there, you have a visual ready, have some of those shapes ready for you in your math textbook pages, and look at them and see which one shape will make the hexagon, which shape will make the rectangle, trapezoid, pentagon. Okay, friends? So again, this is just a video just to help you, and if not, I will see you on Miss Lespiza soon. Have a good day. Bye, boys and girls.